Deleting from a linked list is really about skipping. We never truly erase a node in the middle by hand. Instead, we make the node before a point past it straight to the node after. The skipped node is no longer reachable, so it is effectively gone from the list. Here is how it works. If we are deleting the very first node, we simply return the second node as the new head. Otherwise, we walk to the node just before the one we want to remove. Then we set that node's next link to point 2 steps ahead, skipping over the target. The target still exists in memory for a moment, but nothing points to it, so it has left the list. We define a node. To delete, if the position is 0, we just return the second node as the new head. Otherwise, we walk to the node 1 before the target, then set its next link to skip over the target, pointing to the node beyond it. Finally, we return head. Let's delete a middle node, then the head in a live editor. A node holds a value and a link to the next node. Deleting the first node just returns the second node as the new head. Otherwise, walk to the node just before, then skip the target by pointing past it. Now, let's test it and hit run. There it is. We removed the 3 at position 2, then removed the head, leaving 2, 4, 5. Here is the shape. If the position is 0, return the second node as head. Otherwise, walk to the node just before the target and set its next link to skip over the target. Then return head. Finding the node just before the position may take us most of the way down the list, so in the worst case, that is order n time. The unlinking itself is instant, and we use no extra space, so space is order 1. 3 things to remember. First, to unlink a node, you must stand on the node just before it, not on it. Second, deleting the head is special because there is no previous node, so you move head forward instead. And third, make sure the position actually exists, or you will step off the end.